Are you tired of getting average grades or even worse on papers just because they weren't formatted properly? Well, the good news is that it's an easy fix, and this video will show you how to properly format your paper according to MLA guidelines. And then you can be the star that you know you are. For this tutorial, you will need dedication, concentration, some other relevant word that ends in ation, and well, I guess Microsoft Word would be helpful and a piece of technology that runs Microsoft Word. For this tutorial, I will be using Microsoft Word 2013, which is run on a Windows computer. Well, why the 2013 version? And why am I using a PC? Well, that's because after researching a bit, I have concluded that Microsoft Word 2013 is the most commonly used form of Word, and PCs are more common than Apple computers. So my tutorial is in a 2013 version of Word on a PC, but don't fear if you have a different version. The specs are very similar and easy to figure out. So let's get started. Here's what a Word document would look like if you just wrote your essay using the default settings of Word. There are some things to note here. Your name, the instructor's name, the class that you're in, for example, American Literature, and the date all end up in the left corner of your Word document. The date would be written in this format. Oops, don't know what year it is. Then it's followed by the heading of your assignment. So let's say you were doing an essay on Batman versus Superman, because we're cool. What you do with the heading is you select it by just clicking your mouse and dragging to the left, and you center your heading. And this is just fill text that I used for the essay part. And this is what your Word document would look like with default Word settings. Next, what you want to make sure is that your page, under your page layout tab, your margins are 1 inch on all sides. Usually this is the default setting, but you want to make sure every single time. The next thing you want to do is press Ctrl A to select your entire essay, and go into this little paragraph tab thing and click Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs of the Same Style. Click OK. Next thing you want to do is double space your essay, since that is what the MLA guidelines require. So you click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing tab and click 2.0 for double space. It's okay if your essay has more than an inch margin at the bottom. As you can see, the width from here to here is much smaller than the width from here to here. That's a default Word setting. You can't do anything about it. Your instructor can't do anything about it, and everyone has to live with this. It's going to be okay. Next, what you want to look at is your Works Cited page, which has scooted to the bottom. So your Works Cited page starts on an entirely new page. You want to take your Works Cited heading and you want to center it as well. Then you want to select all of your citations, and you want to go to paragraph again. See where it says indentation, special, click hanging. And that's how you get hanging indentations. These are already alphabetized, but to alphabetize your citations, you want to click this button right here which says sort. And you want to do sort by paragraph, and you want to click ascending, which means it will sort them alphabetized from A to Z, and that's the way you want it. You click OK, and that way they'll be alphabetized. Next thing you want to look at is that your font needs to be, you can press Ctrl A once again to highlight your entire essay. click 12 for the font size, and choose Times New Roman because it's the most basic and that's what they like. By they, I mean MLA. And that's how you do all of that. One thing that I would recommend, not that I would recommend, but it's required, is that you need your name, your last name, and your page number up top. And how you do that is you go to Insert, click on Page Number, top of page, and choose plain number 3 right here, which shows you right here in the display that it's going to be on the right side of the page. Click that and type in, here, I want to put it right here so that no one's lost, last name. And that looks right, except what you might not notice is that it's a different typeface. You want to go ahead and use Times New Roman and a size 12 for your page number as well. And then you can just click out, or you could have clicked close header right here. And that's it. You're all set. Your paper is formatted correctly. Some tips and suggestions to cite your sources would be this source right here, Purdue OWL. It gives you a great source to, it's a great method to cite your sources, but it's a pain. So I use this other website, and I'm going to provide the links for both of these in the description below. But go ahead and try this website out as well. Obviously, machines make mistakes, technology makes mistakes, so go ahead and look into this website, click MLA. You can just copy and paste your links in there or fill out the information. It gives you a citation, but go ahead and double check that citation with how you're supposed to actually do citations with Purdue OWL, and it will help you immensely. And that's it. You're all set. Here is your Batman vs. Superman essay formatted properly. Good luck!